Yan, nakapagluto na tayo ng kanin. Ngayon naman ay yan ang ulam natin ngayon, guys. Sardinas na gilisa. Yan ang puso namin na sobrang kulit. Luto na tayo. Yan, guys. Gigisa na natin ang ating sardinas. Yan ang ulam natin ngayon. Sardinas. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Luto na ang kanin natin. Ready to eat na. Kain na. Sardines.
Embracing nuclear means choosing a future that's safe, stable, and secure. Energy we can count on, not just today, but for generations to come.
No smoke, no burning, just clean, efficient energy. It runs 24/7, rain or shine, unshaken by fuel price spikes or cloudy skies.
This is our commitment to light the way for a better future, to power better lives for all.
Sa sobrang sarap ng black coffee na may dark roast at light roast beans,